In our next brief overview of the Fireline software, we're going to be taking a look at the dashboard, specifically the Service tab. Now, the Service tab is a very powerful area which most customers will spend quite a bit of time making sure they tailor specifically to the unique needs of the company. On this particular view, let me show you what we've automatically got preset here. In the bottom half of the screen, you're going to see a list of our work orders that we currently have. If they are specific to a job number, you'll see those job numbers, a customer name, the type of work order, be it a service call, an installation work order, a preventive maintenance call, and this can vary as well with other types depending upon the individual company, who that particular call was assigned to from a technician standpoint, or if on the dashboard it was assigned in a column called waiting for parts, or open service calls, or unassigned PMs. So that is the assignment on the dashboard for scheduling. This is the start date, the service duration period, whether that particular work order is closed and or has it billed in QuickBooks yet with the QuickBooks invoice number, and is it voided, and of course then there's additional information that we can have on here. One of the things I want to call your attention to is that within the software during training, we actually show you how this screen can be tailored based on your unique needs as to which columns appear on the screen initially. We also have the capability for you to actually design different types of views that would be more targeted to your specific company. For example, the billing view that's been created here, which of course you can create on your own, and we show you how to do this during training. The billing view that we have set up basically shows the following columns: the name of the customer, the work order, specifically those particular work orders that are closed only. If in fact they've been billed in QuickBooks, you'll see them here, but because this particular view requires only those work orders that are closed and not billed, this is a pretty powerful report on a daily basis to look at for cash flow purposes to make sure that you've got your billings out. We also show the start date, the priority status of that particular work order, who it was physically assigned to, and then a brief job or service description. Again, the columns were specifically selected for this particular view, and then there was criteria set, and that criteria in this case was we only wanted to see those particular calls that were physically closed on our scheduling board that have not been billed in QuickBooks yet. You'll also notice we've got several other customized views that we've set up. For example, if you'd like to see just your installations, you can pull up a list of just your installs and again identify the columns that follow that view. If you'd like to see those particular items that you're actually waiting for parts on your dispatch board, you can see that, as well as those that have purchase orders attached to them in QuickBooks and whether they've been fully received or not. Again, customizing the columns specific to the particular view that you may want to look at. Only preventive maintenance calls that are scheduled out there, and you can see again, this is a pretty powerful tool to be able to really zero in on those unique items that you're looking for in your work orders that are currently activated. We also have the capability for you to actually query by work order number and or customer and see different types of lookups on the screen as well. This concludes our quick overview of the Service tab for the Fireline service software. We hope you'll join us for the other videos to take a look at the other tabs in the dashboard feature.